saying? Luke, bro.
What's going on, Ricky?
All good?
Yeah, good.
Nice to finally have you on the channel, man.
Yeah,
Obviously, I've met you a few years back, right?
Yeah.
So what do you do? Like, before we talk about YouTube and your car, you run a Geo sort of? Like...
Yeah, so I specialise on alignments and setting cars up for track, bit of drifting.
And what's the company name and where you're located?
Geo by Luke. We're based in North Finchley in London.
Today you've come down in your Nissan Silvia.
Yes,
do you want to start going over a bit of the car? Like maybe talk about what they are in general and then we're going to what you've had done to it. And you've had a few different versions of it as well, haven't you?
Yeah, I had an S14A and then I built the S15. I think it's the most iconic one. Yeah. The most best looking one.
I think I like this one the best as well.
They're really good for drifting and for whatever you want to use it for.
Obviously you've gone with this crazy pink colour. I think it looks pretty cool, I'm not going to lie, man. Man's got a pink car around the corner as well. And you've now got a new engine, sorry? You built a new engine?
Yeah, so engine's built by DY Engines. Dave built me a 2.1 now, high comp, CP pistons, manly rods, drag cams, everything. The engine's fully kitted out. Yeah, made 515 to the wheels.
So what's that, 550, 60?
Yeah, it was about 595 to the...
595? Oh wow, Jesus.
Yeah.
So it's around 600 horsepower?
Yeah.
Rear wheel driven?
Rear wheel drive, no traction.
No traction?
No traction, no ABS.
Yeah, and man's got the LLF Geo set up right today.
Yeah. Yeah, I changed the setup, innit?
Yeah. Bit of traction, yeah, I like the corners. But I don't mind the back coming out a bit. So we've got Michelin PS4S tyres?
Not S's, just 4s.
Sorry, 4s, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, and we've got the TE37s?
Yeah.
So back to the engine, so it's a 2.1 litre. Are they 2 litre from factory? Or?
Yeah, 2 litre from factory.
Yeah.
Now
oversized pistons, you say?
Oversized pistons, 87mm pistons.
Yeah.
A Mazworks turbo kit. They're really good in America, so I bought the turbo kit.
What turbo is it?
GTX 30.
Exhaust, did we mention exhaust?
Yes, exhaust, 3.5-inch downpipe,
yeah.
Built by Style Dynamics. Straight into a 3-inch pipe into a Jap can, like an Apexy it's called.
Fuel in ECU?
Link G4 Plus,
yeah.
And then you've got a methanol kit running 100% alcohol.
Right.
You got 800cc injectors, Hellcat fuel pump in the tank. We did have a race fuel map, but we took that off when we got the new engine because it made solid power.
But what's the idea for you? It's obviously to drift, right? It's not for drag racing?
Yeah, I built it to go to shows, so it looks good.
Yeah.
Go out, do a little bit of drifting if I wanted to. The car's capable. Basically build just a good example because usually they're not like this.
Yeah.
They're quite like either full-blown drift cars or they're not very well maintained. So I kind of built it to a high standard, innit?
So it's got hydro, running buckets and it's a clean, like you said.
Yeah, it's clean. I've got a Skyline diff, Skyline drive shafts because they're upgraded, because the original ones are really skinny. Skyline rear brakes. If you go to the front, we moved the steering rack forward 25mm. Modified hub so you've got extra lock.
What's the idea of the steering rack?
You move it forward, so what it is, when you add extra lock, when you full lock it, it actually pushes the steering arm into the...
Okay.
And it kind of, the steering arm goes at a funny angle
yeah?
and it snaps the rack. So you have to move them forward.
Right,
If you want like good lock, you've got to move it forward. So when it goes on full lock, you keep the steering arm straight.
Okay.
Yeah, got Meister coilovers, poly bush the whole car, dropped the subframe, welded it up, reinforced it because they snap.
And you would say these are like probably built to drift from factory, aren't they?
Yeah,
like,
pretty much. The chassis is unbelievable.
Yeah.
When you drive it, you're really gonna like this car.
Yeah.
The way it drives, it's like a road legal go-kart.
Right, okay.
You come into a bend, you power out, it kicks out, it's controllable.
And it's not like, is it snappy or is it like sort of?
No, it's not really.
Yeah.
It's set up really well. I'm really happy with it. So I just want to say the car's wrapped by Pit Stop Customs.
Yeah.
Yeah, he wrapped it for me.
Shout them out.
Yeah, he done a good job.
It's really nice, man. And for the internet, obviously you do social media, it's perfect, isn't it?
Yeah, it's loud. And I always change it as well. It's been like 4 different colours.
Yeah. It's not the typical pink though, is it? It's got,
no, it's quite nice. It's called Deep Pink.
Carbon bonnet, you've got these different headlights as well.
Yeah, I changed the bonnet. Headlights are 78 works.
Yeah.
The rear lights are the same, 78 works. Gearbox is upgraded because the gearbox is brake.
Right, what have you done to upgrade it? Diffs or anything? Or?
Yeah, so what I done was I put a Nismo twin plate clutch and then it goes into a 370Z gearbox.
Okay.
Out of a 370Z.
Nice.
Solid gearbox rated to 1,000 horsepower.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, they're solid. And then it's got a custom billet bell housing that adapts the gearbox to the SR20 engine. Right. And then it goes back into a custom prop shaft.
Wow, man, you have not playing games, are you?
Oh, I've done everything, man.
Everything? And what's that, a carbon spoiler, is that on the back?
No, that's a factory aero spoiler.
Oh, right, okay.
This bumper, believe it or not, this is a factory aero bumper. You can't find one of these now for less than 4 grand.
When you say aero, is it an optional extra?
Yeah, from the factory.
Right.
You get one of these, the whole kit's plastic. Okay. There's no fiberglass on the car.
What are the value on something like this in factory for?
You can see them going for around 25 to 30 grand now. Wow. Pretty much standard.
Wow. If you don't mind me asking, what do you reckon you got in the car? You probably don't even know, do you?
50 plus, innit?
Wow.
You're gonna
Yeah,
see.
no, I'm excited, bro. I'm excited.
You're gonna
you
like
can drive as well, bro.
Yeah, you're gonna like this. Yeah, I'm telling you.
Cool. Let's do it then. Should we jump
Yeah,
out?
let's go, man.
Come on. Hi guys, it's Ricky here at LLF Games. Just thought I'd do a quick little walk around our latest competition, which is this BMW 1M Coupe. Now I know some of you may think it's just a modified 1 Series, but let me tell you that is far from the truth. This is a full fat M car built by the M division at BMW. And what I mean by that is this car's got an M3 differential, M3 suspension, M3 kidney grills, M3 mirrors. It's a super rare car. So rare, I actually bought one for myself. One of 450 ever brung to the UK, meaning it's very unlikely you're going to see one of these on the road. It's got an N54 3-litre twin turbocharged engine from factory, and this example specifically has had over £25,000 of modifications, starting with a carbon fibre roof, carbon diffuser, carbon side skirts, upgraded alloys, upgraded suspension. It's got a £6,000-7,000 Eisenman exhaust system. If you're on the website, check out the description. The spec on this is absolutely ridiculous. Another point I want to make is low mileage examples of these are going for up to £80,000, and this car only has 17,000 miles, which means it's a very safe car to invest your money in. So if you are on the website, don't sleep on this one. Get yourself a ticket and be in for a chance of winning a super rare BMW 1M Coupe. Right, so we're out in the Silvia, people. Let me tell you, like the car, it just feels like it's a certified driver's car.
Yeah, it's
like the way this cabin is, like the plastics, the colours, your steering wheel. It's got the hydro here. The gearbox with the carbon round it. This looks like a sequential, bro. Yeah. And you say this is a 370Z box, yeah?
370Z box, yeah.
Yeah.
2014 come out of.
What, slots in? Was it
No, it was a little bit of modifications, but it wasn't too major.
One thing I forgot to ask, you do most of the work yourself, or?
Yeah, literally, yeah.
Wow.
I took the engine out, got it built by Dave,
Yeah.
and all the maintenance and everything is done by me.
I was actually saying off cam that it must be so handy just being hands-on with your own car.
Yeah, being able just to do it. Yeah, I got a shout out to my dad, man, because like he lets me use his ramp, and without him letting me use his ramp, it would be a nightmare.
How long have you owned the car?
I've had this since 2017.
Oh wow, so you've had it for a while.
Yeah.
You're not going anywhere for now?
Nah, I'm just gonna keep it, man. You know, I've got a few other cars. I've actually got 3 more of these S15s.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and then I got 2 Tommy Mackinons.
Oh shit, yeah, you got the Evos, didn't you?
Yeah, I got Evos as well.
Yeah.
I had an R32 GTR, but I got rid of it.
How old are you, Luke?
I'm 29 now.
Man's out with like 2 Evos, 3 Evos.
I've got a nice little selection, innit?
Whoa, man. He's sick. Gross.
Yeah,
No
man.
way.
Shout out to Low Boost.
What is low boost?
Low Boost, I think it's around 400 and something.
And you say high boost about
High
600,
boost, high
yeah?
boost goes to 2 bar boost, yeah.
Wow.
And it really.
Wow. You know with the built engine where you can throw down that low down torque?
Yeah.
It's a different power, isn't it?
Yeah,
Because a lot of these cars that you go out in, they're not built, are they? So they have to
Yeah.
like smooth and torque and
This is
work
fully-
around the gearbox and
Mate, this is getting
just-
this,
Yeah.
cane it, and it should take it. And if it breaks, then I'm gonna just fix it the next day.
There you go, innit? Lovely, man. Mate,
What's it feel like?
looking at your movements on the
Yeah,
wheel,
yeah.
it just looks easy, almost like not like I don't know if that sounds offensive.
It's
but
really easy.
It just
No,
looks
it
like
is.
you're not even working from
No,
there.
it really is.
You're
It's
stepping out and you're
So user
correcting
friendly.
it. And you got your toucan here as well.
Yeah, Cal 1, bro.
Cal 1, yeah. You say you got 4 maps.
Yeah, 4 maps. This is what I let my wife drive it on when she wants to take it.
She must
out.
love this.
Yeah,
big.
she loves it. We met through drifting, innit? So,
No way. Bro, the kids are gonna be certified. Take it right. Bro, that front's tight, innit?
Oh, mate, look.
Yeah.
It's really. It's like
Go-kart, like you
yeah,
said, innit?
go-kart like feeling.
Yeah. Jeez. This is rated as one of the best sounding engines, isn't it?
Yeah, that's
People,
ours, man. They're very revvy and angry.
Yeah. What's it rev to?
I think close to 8K.
Head to the
Go, little man.
nipping out,
It
man.
don't fall off boost, does it? Every gear is
one
very
bit, man.
similar.
The strength, it's consistent all the way through. This is an import, isn't it? Because you got
Yeah, it's imported. You can't get these from the UK.
Okay.
This model is only imported, and then the S14A is from the UK, and the S13.
Okay. What is the year of the car?
This was a V-Reg, so I think maybe 1999 or 2000.
Bro. So you're like revving it before you dump the clutch?
Yeah, you can if you wanted to. I wouldn't do it on high boost because it will really be a bit too much, but low boost you could do that stuff.
Yeah. We know anyway how certain these cars are, but there's not many people, I suppose, with a good example. This is going to be one of the best out there, isn't it?
Yeah.
The Japs do it different.
Yeah,
like,
they're fun cars, man.
you hear it, you know, I've heard it for years, but yeah, now being able to go out in these and witness it, like it is the truth. Like the Japs do it different, man. Bro, this is a 1999 car.
Yeah, I know. It's mad, isn't it?
Fucking mental, mate.
You wouldn't think it's like that.
And like you were saying though, off camera, you have got to be a little mechanically minded to have a nice experience with it, right? Like me, I'm not.
Yeah.
I'm not a hands-on guy, so like little niggles. You're saying it's been one of them cars where
it's high maintenance.
It's high maintenance.
Yeah, I built it to the best I can, but you know, like for instance, maybe your GTR.
Yeah.
You know, you can go do test runs, but you might run into some kind of issues.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
So you got to be ready to. Luckily, I can get it back to the garage, fix it.
Yeah.
You know, I'm blessed like that.
But if you wasn't a mechanic,
no, forget it, man.
Yeah.
Oh, mate, it's just too much. Like, give it to one garage, maybe one. If it's not a tuning garage, but just a normal garage, they might not want to touch it firstly because of the way it is.
Yeah.
You got to find the specialist, and then the specialist is going to take forever to do it, and I don't like waiting. All these things have broken on me, so I've done the options. You know, I had a fully built OS Geeking gearbox.
Yeah.
Like the best gearbox, I still broke it.
Right.
So I found out that this 370Z gearbox was the one, done it, and ever since then it's been fine. Broke drive shafts and stuff like that. Upgraded them to GTR.
Okay, GTR drive shafts.
Yeah, they're not going to break. They're like this fat.
Yeah.
What it is, Ricky, when you get in this car, you just that's all you want to do. You don't want to not do it. It just it does it for you, man. I'm telling you, when you drive it, you're going to see.
Scared? Nah, come on, bro. Oi, this car feels like it was built for me.
Yeah, it probably is.
Yo, look, it's all around me, man.
Yeah, it's all comfy.
It's like I'm in I don't know, like an airplane or a helicopter or something. Look at that.
That's what you want to be.
I've never had a more perfect driving position.
Yeah, that's what
never
you
ever.
Be.
Look at that, bro. The visuals, the visuals. Gearbox is nice.
Tight as well. The diff's tight.
Yeah, you can feel it.
Yeah, you'll hear some. Yeah, it's two ways, so it's like a welder.
So what the R33?
No, I got the diff fully built.
Mate, this feels sick straight away.
Steering's good, isn't it?
Fuck
steering, it's so precise. But this is the one.
Bro. No way.
Yeah, man.
No, bro, you're not even joking. It's like it is a go-kart, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, I can feel your Geo as well, innit?
Yeah, I've set it up really nice.
Jesus. Mate, that is mental.
Yeah, the way I've set it up.
Response,
a little
bro.
bit of toe out.
The faster we're going, one there's a bit more, isn't it?
Yeah, on these roads.
Be very smooth.
Yeah, on these roads it will.
Oh, sorry, bro.
That's alright. That's fine. I don't know whether. I don't know. When it does that, it's like 8K.
No way, this is mad, isn't it?
Yeah, the steering.
Like you're saying, this is a next level build. Like, obviously, it's not.
Yeah.
Because I drove, I think it might have been an S13, maybe. It was a bit of rust on there. The guy.
A bit of rust on it? That's not normal. No, that's not normal.
I don't want to disrespect that owner, innit?
No.
He was only young. But yeah, even that, bro, it was like more or less stock, and it felt like it was just designed to just be ragged and just drift, basically.
Wow. It really has no lag, innit? Bro, it's so on point, innit?
I'm absolutely loving the way this feels. It feels unbelievable. No way, the front. Bro. Yeah, look, feel it there just pulled me in a bit.
Yeah, camber, 4 degrees.
Guys, let me tell you, this feels like one of the most amazing things I've felt. It might be the driving position, like I've not had a driving position like this. The wheel it's right here, it's right where you want it. Throttle's beautiful, brakes are nice, the gearbox is perfection, like very mechanical, doesn't feel like rubbery. And you're saying this is rated for 1,000 brakes.
Yep.
You had a built gearbox and you've reverted back to a 370Z box.
Yeah, that's correct.
You would have never obviously known that at the beginning. Your Geo, honestly, is like very sensitive, isn't it?
It's on point.
It was nice, man. Like, I'm barely turning the wheel, guys, and it's leaning into the corner. Geo is so important, honestly. You can put suspension on your car, but you need to go somewhere and have it aligned, you know, even is it corner weighted or?
Yeah, everything, it's all done.
Like, definitely, if you've got a car, I mean, even some cars with stock suspension, you can have an alignment done. So, like, yeah, obviously check out Luke. That's what he specialises in. Oh, this is a motor, bro.
Thanks, man. Look at my skid marks. It does everything. You could do a bit of track, a bit of drift, a bit of fast road. It's just set up. It's a really like mild setup.
Yeah, so guys, make sure to subscribe to Luke's channel, man, because listen, YouTube's not easy, man. It really isn't easy. There's obviously a lot of competition out there, and a lot of us doing car reviews and just car content in general. But definitely check out Luke's channel, man. Man's on this thing. Bro, it doesn't like you don't want to really rev it out, do you? It's like
it's not need. It's like
it's a satisfying power. Even going down, it's like man,
it's punchy. It's like come on.
Yeah. Sorry, man, guys. I'm probably just sounding like a broken record, but the turning on this front end is unbelievable. You can't beat rear wheel drive, to be honest.
Yeah, rear wheel drive's the best.
You know, letting the front just do its thing, let the rears. Yeah, you definitely got to be a little bit careful in here with that. I mean, front end wise, it's really sensitive. You didn't even get to experience the LLF track properly, man. Got blessed today, Luke. You got blessed.
Good. I was scared.
It feels so capable that when I'm in a capable car, it doesn't make me want to push on its limit because the limits are too far.
Yeah, yeah.
If I'm in a stockish car, you can hit them limits and feel like you're on the edge. Like,
yeah, of course.
But with a car like this, you've got to travel too fast to reach them limits. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's not really wise to do it on the street, man. Oh, bro. I fucking love this to death, mate.
It's on boost when you need it, isn't it? There's no lag.
Nah, none whatsoever. I mean, initially you're like, and then it's just bam.
Yeah, it's everything, yeah.
We're gonna let Luke jump back in because we're gonna try and give him a couple of roundabouts. So yeah, guys, we're on a dual. I think Luke's pulling into high boost.
Yeah, Cal 4.
So that's like just under sicko mode. These have got to be around 12, 13, surely.
I say around that. I reckon about 12.
Sick. Yeah, so guys, I'm going to end the video there, man. Luke.
Yeah, man.
Certified driver, you know.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, make sure to follow Luke. As I said, I'll leave all the links in the description. Follow his YouTube. If you need a sick alignment done, any work done on cars, this is your man, yeah?
Thanks, man.
And definitely check out his videos. Yeah. Bro, this is a car that I need in my life, man.
Yeah, you do.
I need to get out again. We need to go somewhere else, bro.
Yeah,
like, even a track day or something like that.
Yeah, I'm down, man. I'm down for that.
What a vehicle. So yeah, as I said, I'll leave all the links in the description. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Yo, bust a right or a left turn. Lamborghini make the heads turn. Enough fuel for the next journey. Man's wheels spinning, got the heads turning. Exhaust smoke like a fire burning. Just bought a bin, my man's buying German. Park where I want, didn't buy a permit. Wanna join the team, then buy a jersey. Full tank full of gas lead. We on